Just missed a legendary raid? Frustrating. With PoGoSkill, see all 5-kilometer raids before they start. This video will show you how. Turn misses into raid wins. Step 1. Access Raid Scanner. Enable Pogo Map. Click the second icon in the navigation bar to scan nearby raids. Watch raid icons appear. Step 2. Choose Raid Count. Pick how many raids to join. PoGoSkill handles the rest. Step 3. Join raids. Start moving and PoGoSkill auto-generates a route. Adjust speed to get you there on time. Step 4. Find specific raids. Click the second icon to search by name, ID, sort by distance, level, start time, your raid filter. Step 5. No raid data? Pick a popular spot in PoGoSkill, reload. Raids will show up. PoGoSkill helps you never miss a raid. Like, subscribe, comment which raid you'll hunt first. Happy raiding!